Hi, this is Patience. As usual, welcome to Cat Africa Afro channel. So like the title says, are you allergic to hair extensions? Back in the years, I would get irritation on my skin wherever the hair piece would touch, wherever the hair would touch. And specifically, I mean synthetic hair extensions and human extensions that have a mix of synthetic and human. So I completely stopped wearing synthetic hair extensions and invested more in human hair extensions, which became more expensive for me. Sometimes you want to wear a particular hairstyle which is not available in human hair extensions. Actually, I came to realize that human hair extensions does not have variety when it comes to hairstyles. So what does someone? I came to realize that some people go through even more serious problems than just rashes. So what can someone do to enjoy a protective hairstyle without going through all this discomfort?
It's very likely that some people who react to synthetic hair extensions have no idea that the reaction is from alkaline.
So what is alkaline in this case? Alkaline is a chemical base that is used to coat hair to preserve it from getting molds, and at the same time leads to allergic reactions in some people. Thanks to social media, many people are getting aware of this problem. So what I simply do is Pretreat hair with apple cider or white vinegar to remove the alkaline base.
Fill a large bowl with 3 parts warm water and 1 part white vinegar. Remove hair from its packets and immerse into the mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes until you see a white film appear. This allows the acidity of the vinegar remove the alkaline base from the hair. Next, remove hair from bowl and rinse with running water. If you don't like the smell of the vinegar, then you may shampoo and condition the hair after without manipulating it so much, otherwise it may lose its elasticity. So by now, your hair is ready to wear without any problems. However, if you experience irritation after you had your synthetic hair already installed, you can always apply the same mixture in a spray bottle and spray a generous amount directly to the hair extension up to your scalp. Then rinse off with cold water and allow it to air dry. You can repeat the same process the following day to make sure there are no traces of chemical still left.